Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How do we get the last workday of a month? Let's go to get last workday of the month worksheet. We're asking this question. Get the last weekday in a month. And in this example, we will state specifically what day we're aiming for. If we want a Saturday, well, we have to look at some verbiage. This is from Microsoft Excel. And for clarification, weekday returns the day of the week corresponding to a date. The day is given as an integer ranging from 1 Saturday to 7 Saturday. Here in the structure, we have end of month plus 1 minus weekday end of month, D501 plus 1 minus D5. And really what we're asking for is what is the last Saturday in June of 2021? We know by using this first structure, EO month plus 1, we're going to get July 1st. With the second structure, end of month, C501 plus 1 minus C5 gives us what? Well, we know end of month B50 plus 1 is July 1st to 2021. If we use this structure, second function, end of month, D501 plus 1 minus D5, what we're saying is we want to subtract 7 days from July 1st, 2021. In this case, it's June 24th, 2021. And what we do is we're going to take this G5 and subtract I5 and get 5. So what we're looking for is, all right, I know this formula looks intimidating, but let me try to explain this. Here we have these weekdays, and this weekday just is simply stating what is the last Saturday of June. In 6 represents Friday, 5 represents Thursday, 1 represents Sunday. All we're asking here is what is the last Sunday of June? And what we're doing, looking at July 1st as this end of month day, and we know if you look at the second function, and this is end of month B50 plus 1, which we know is July 1st, we're going to subtract 1. We're going to go back and say June 30, 2021. That is Wednesday. What we're trying to figure out is the weekday. And what we do in order to get that, we want to subtract from G, we want to subtract H. This formula here, with weekday, let me go back here. This number here, weekday, EO month, and whatever number it is, if it's Sunday, if it's down here at number 1, that number represents 4. And you're saying why? Well, because weekday, end of month, C11 plus 1 minus D11 here for Sunday shows 4. You're scratching your head going, what? Well, you have to think back. We're looking for the last Sunday of June. The only way to do that intuitively is go, well, July 1st is Thursday. The previous Sunday is 4 days backwards. All we're doing is looking at July 1st and backing up 4 days. And the weekday formula using this structure shows June 30, 2021. This is end of month minus C5, or in this case, end of month minus C4, which ends up being the equivalent of weekday 4. And all we're doing is subtracting from July 1st, 4. And I know you're going, what in the hell are you talking about? Let's grab this weekday, end of month, copy, cancel, hit paste, put an equal sign, and there. All we're doing is saying from July 1st, 2022, subtract 4 days. weekday, we open this up. What is the end of month? C11 plus 1. We know over here on the right, it's July 1st. July 1st minus 4. We go up 1. We can just simply change this. Let's go D10. What are we asking here? We're asking, what is the last Monday in June? We know the first day of July is Thursday. Then we just back up, and how many days to Monday? We have Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. I know it gets intimidating trying to intuitively think of this, but really all we're asking for is from July 1st, what is the last Saturday of June? What is the last Friday of June? Here we're asking, what's the last Thursday of June? And you can just think it out. Well, July 1st is X, and Thursday, July 24th is X number of days, and I'll just subtract one from the other. Brad Williams, XL Prime. See you soon.